Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a crucial topic for all you crypto investors out there: risk management. If you're serious about protecting your portfolio, stick around as I share the top strategies to safeguard your crypto investments. First up, diversification. You've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This way, if one coin takes a hit, your entire portfolio doesn't go down with it. Think of it as your safety net. Next, let's talk about cold storage. Keeping your crypto on an exchange might be convenient, but it's also risky. Exchanges can get hacked. Cold storage, like hardware wallets, keeps your assets offline and away from potential cyber threats. It's like having a high-tech safe for your digital assets. Another key strategy: stay informed. The crypto market is volatile and things change rapidly. Follow credible news sources, join crypto communities, and always stay up to date with the latest trends and regulations. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of crypto. Now let's get into stop-loss orders. These are automated orders that sell a cryptocurrency when it reaches a certain price. It's a great way to limit potential losses without having to monitor the market 24/7. It's like having a safety belt for your investments. And don't forget about security measures. Use strong, unique passwords for your crypto accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, and watch out for phishing scams. Treat your digital security as seriously as you would your physical security. Lastly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is perhaps the golden rule of investing, especially in the highly unpredictable world of crypto. Always have a clear plan and stick to it. Your future self will thank you. So there you have it, the top strategies to safeguard your crypto investments. Implement these tips, and you'll be well on your way to managing your risks more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and happy investing. Until next time, take care.